Hello everybody, I got a package from overseas and I decided to share it with you from China. So I do buy some stuff from China. I know some people do um, from the YouTube group the group people who follow on YouTube. And so my friend and I, my friend Sarah and I also both buy stuff from China. So right now I'm trying to see what this could be. Wow. Okay. This is an outfit. Um, I think it's going to be good for cooler weather. Yeah, it's a full-on romper with a hood, and it's called Yi Wen Baby. I don't know, but yeah, this is big. um, so yeah, it will fit. It should fit my bigger dolls. That's pretty. Or I could, or my friend's dolls together. And then I have another package, two packages. I have to see what's in it. I don't know what's in it. There's another outfit in it. Yep, it's some outfit. Trying to open it. Let me open it. Oh, okay. Oh, it's like it's like almost like a like overalls, but not quite like, I don't know, like romper overall. I don't know what to call it, but that. So that's the two things I got today. It's cute. So yeah, that'll fit my bigger girls. So yeah, I have those two things. All right, so that was it for stuff that I got from China. Also, today is Monkey Monday for my Facebook, my closed group on Facebook. But it is also Disney Monday, so I did a bit of both. I dressed her in clothes that are big on her, so it could be silly, but also it's mini, and I'm sure it had been seen on one of my dolls before. It's not new. I don't have much Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, or Disney stuff, so there she is for Monday, and Disney Monday. So yeah, that's it for now. I'll be back another time. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.